Hi, welcome to everyone. My name is Kumar Swami Andrapu. Today I will present a comparative study of various operating systems. This presentation explores the future strengths and the weaknesses of some of the most commonly used operating systems based on our course learnings. My goal is to provide an understanding of how different systems caters to use needs in the various environments from the personal to the enterprise use. Now going to the first slide, introduction to the operating system. Operating systems or OS are the backbone of the modern computing and managing a hardware resources and the providing a user interference. They enable communication between the hardware components and the users and ensuring understanding the differences between the operating systems is a vital for making informed choice, especially in the business and the development environments. Today, we will deploy in how each OS offers unique advantages, happening users and the business advantages, helping the users and the business make the right decision in their needs. Now, moving to the next slide. How the computer and the user security basics. Security is the core consideration in operating system. It involves user authentication, data encryption, and the protecting against the malware viruses. Different operating systems often distant approaches to security, such as a Windows Defender in Windows or the App Scanner in Mac. Understanding this securities mechanism allow users and organizations to choose an OS that matches their security needs, whether for personal use or enterprise environments. We will compare these features in detail to highlight the strengths and challenges on each operating system in maintaining the user security. Now, moving to the next slide, the desktop visualization overview. The desktop visualization is a technology that allows users to run manipulate operating systems on a single physical device. This approach is beneficial for testing and development and providing flexibility in accessing different applications. For instance, developers often use virtualization to test software across Windows, Mac, and the Linux. Yes, it also helps organization to save costs by reducing the hardware components requirements and the centralization management. Desktop visualization simplifies disaster recovery and the boost productivity, making it a valuable tool for the modern computing needs. Now moving on to the next slide, overview of the Windows operating systems. Windows is one of the most widely used operating systems known for its compatibility with a vast range for the software and the hardware. It is a popular choice in enterprise due to its user-friendly interface and the extensive support network. Key features of the Windows include Cortana, a digital assistant, Windows Defender for security, and the regular update that enhance the system performance. It broad software ecosystem makes a Windows a versatile choice for user across the various sectors. Now moving to the next slide, the supporting and the troubleshoot for the Windows. Support and troubleshoots are the crucial for maintaining a stable and reliable Windows environment. Windows are often built-in tools like the event viewer or the task manager, which users diagnose and resolve the system issues. For more complex problems, extensive online user forms and official Microsoft documentations are available. Tools like System Restore enable users to revert their system settings to previous states, providing a way to recover from the errors. The futures makes managing the Windows systems straightforward, particularly in the business settings. Now moving to the next slide, overview of the Mac. Uh, Now, Mac is a re-owned from its elegant design, strongly security features, and the seamless integration with other Apple devices. It is organized for the creative applications like video editing and the music production. Softwares like the Final Cut Pro and the Logic Pro are the exclusive to the Mac, make it preferred to the choice to the people and creative professionals. Apple focus on the controlled ecosystem, ensuring a high level of security, although it was a limited customization for the advanced users. Now moving to the overview of the Linux. though Linux stands out as open source operating system, offer flexibility and customization that appeals to advanced users and the developers. It also for the stability, making it deals for the servers, enterprise networks, and management. There are many Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian, and each catering to special needs. Linux also offers a powerful command line interface, enabling users to automate tasks and manage systems effectively. This makes us a popular choice in the tech community for those prioritize control over the computing the environment. Now moving to the next slide, Chromebooks and the Chrome OS. Chrome OS is designed for the cloud-based computing and emphasizing simplicity and efficiency. Chromebooks running on Chrome OS have become more popular in educational sector due to their affordability and ease of use. The operating system is very lightweight, offering for boost times and automatically updates. However, the Chrome OS relies heavily on internet connectivity, which can be limitation area where unreliable internet access. Despite this is an ideal solution for the user which primarily needed web-based applications and the services. Now moving on to the mobile operating systems, iOS and Android. iOS and Androids are the two leading mobile operating systems. Each offering is a unique ecosystem. iOS is only for the highly secure, ensuring environment and apps for the process, ensuring user data privacy. In contrast, Android open source nature allows for the extensive customization and supports a variety of devices. While OS is also known for its smooth integration and other Apple products, Android flexibility in terms of hardware choices. Both systems have a large app libraries through the App Store and the Google Play, making them versatile for the different user needs. Now moving to the next slide is connecting devices to the network. Connecting to the network is essential for accessing internet, cloud storage, and the internal network. Windows is often chosen for the enterprises networks due to its the robot support for the networking tools and the protocols. Mac simplifies network setup through user-friendly interface, making it a good choice for the less technical user. Linux offers a range of powerful network tools, ideal for managing servers and networks. And hence OS has a unique strength in network management, which influence in adaptation in various environments. Now moving to the next slide, file management in the cloud. Modern operating systems offer cloud store integration to ensure access to the files across the devices. Windows integrates with OneDrive, allowing seamless synchronization with Microsoft accounts. Mac uses iCloud, offering a similar experience with the Apple ecosystem. Linux users often use it to the servers like Google Drive, Dropbox, or self-hosted solutions. Cloud storage enhances the productivity by ensuring the files are available anytime, anywhere. It has become standard future influencer choices while selecting the operating systems. Now moving to the next slide, Windows 11 overview. Windows 11 introduced a fresh interface designed to improve productivity and the user management. It features a visual virtual desktop, snap layouts for the multiple taskings, and more on integrated Microsoft Store. For gamers, Windows 11 includes improvements like direct storage and auto HDR. While enhances gaming performance, the new design focuses on creating a user-friendly experience with a streamlined startup menu on the central taskbar. The enhancement make Windows 11 a modern choice for users seeking a balance between performance and the ethics. Now moving to the next slide, performance comparison across the OS. When the comparison performance, each operating system has its strengths. Windows is a source intensive due to its comparative feature set, making it ideal for the high-end application, but required powerful hardware. Linux is also known for its efficiency and low resource usage, making it suitable for running an older hardware or a server OS. Mac strikes a balance between the performance and the user experiences. Optimizers specialized for Apple hardware, understanding the differences help users choose an OS that aligns with the hardware capabilities and the performance expectations. Now moving to the next slide, the security comparison of the operating system. Security. Security is a very key factor and a crucial factor in choosing an OS. Windows, due to its popularity, is often targeted by the malware, but tools like Windows Defender offer protection. Mac is less frequently targeted, benefiting from its Unix-based architecture and built-in security measures like the Gatekeeper. Linux, with its open source nature, benefits from the rapid patching by the community, making it a secure choice when properly configured. iOS closed ecosystem restrict malware, but also limit users to control over the device. Understanding these differences helps in choosing the OS aligned with the specific security needs. Now moving to the next cost consideration in the OS selection. Cost. The major part. The cost is a significant consideration when selecting an operating system. Windows requires the licensing fee, which adds up for the enterprise deployments. Mac comes bundled with Apple devices, contributing to its premium pricing. Linux is free and open source, making it appealing for users who wants to minimize the software cost. Chrome OS offers two budget-friendly options for the basic computing needs, especially in educational setting. Balancing cost with the required feature is crucial when selecting an OS for the personal organization use. Now, going to the next slide, future trend in operating system. The future of the operating systems is lies in enhancing cloud integration, cloud integration and the compatibility. Cloud services are being integral with OS development, working with the hybrid model that blend local and cloud computing. AI is being integrated into operating systems for the better use of assistance and the security enhancement. As the user as I increasingly work across multiple devices, cross-platform supports the enhances seamless experience. Continuously updates a focus on the security will remain essential as the cyber threats evolves. Now moving to the next slide, usability comparison across operating the systems. Operating system vary significantly in usability, catering to a different user needs to skill levels. Linux is highly customizable, making it deal for the developers and the tech-savvy users who need control over the system. However, it has a step learning curve and they may not be suitable for his casual users. Max, on the other hand, is renewed for his intensive interference and seamless user experience. Its design prioritizes simply and efficiently, making it popular among the creative and the professionals. Windows offers a middle ground combining usability and functionality, making it suitable for a broad audience. Its familiar interface enhances accessibility for both casual and the professional users. Lastly, Chrome iOS is designed for a simplicity, focusing on a web flow on the minimal local storage requirement. It easy for use and lightweight designs for make it excellent for the students and the professionals with the computing needs. Now moving to the other slide, operating systems for the business application. When it comes to the business application, operating system plays a pivot role. Linux is widely used in the enterprise environment, um, especially for service duties, reliability, scalability, and the cost effectiveness. It is a favorite for the IT infrastructure and the business seeking robust solutions without licensing fees. Windows dominate Office's environment, offering comparative tools like Microsoft Office and the expensive compatibility with third-party software. Mac is preferred in creative industries such as design and multimedia, where it has the stability and high performance shine. Chrome OS is emerging as a strong choice for startups, education sectors, which is focused on the cloud-based collaboration tools, affordability, and simplicity. Now, moving to the next slide, the role of open source in OS development. Operating systems is like a Linux has a revolutionized industrialized by fostering the open source model, ensuring the transparency as the code is accessible for review and improvement. This is not only enhance additionally open source also reduces the cost, making it a particular choice for the business and the developer. It also provide unmatchability flexibilities of offering allowing the organization to customize the operating systems to meet the specific requirement. The collaborative nature of open source made it driving force for the technology advancement. Now moving to the last slide, conclusion and the recommendation. recommendations for the different user needs. In conclusion, each operating system has a distinct strengths and the weaknesses, making them suitable for the different user needs. While Windows is preferred for its compatibility and enterprise features, where Mac is deal for the creative professionals and Linux excels in a customizable and the server management. Chrome OS is a perfect for user looking for a simple cloud-based experience. Understanding these differences allows individual and organization to make informal decisions that aligns with their goals, whether for personal use or the business operations. Now going to the last set to the references for general users seek the software compatibility. Windows is the best choice. Is For the Linux source with interface and interference that needs customizable solution, Chrome is recommended for the students and users and technologies that are made. The references I can make for this is MCMQSIC, the design and implementation of the FreeApps operating systems, and the Sing Mac AI system approach additionally, and Starlink. These are about the links I can use. Thank you for giving this opportunity.